Ram Ram ji, I'm architect Girish Jangir.
I'm architect Chirag Saini. We are from Astro Architect. So today we are here to discuss about one of our recently completed project which is located in Northwest Delhi. Basically this is a 225 square yard lot with 3 side corners along with a park on the eastern side.
So this project is nearby a busy road, so we need to look for a concept which help us to create some privacy in an artistic way. It's a 3 side open plot. We got a chance to play in a different mass blocking with the help of cubes in facade.
Now client has a family structure of 8 people for which he wants a Vastu friendly house along with privacy. So we decided to split their requirements in private and public areas.
As we need to provide privacy from outside viewing angle, but at the same time we don't want it to look like just a big heavy box placed on it.
So what we did, we planned our layout in such a way that helps us to have some double height spaces and openings, keeping the cubism massing on parallel track for the facade as well as for the connectivity of the floors. Now as we take staircase in the center of the house which directly comes to the first floor landing area along with the park on the corner side with double height area and the drawing room which is on the double height and in the northeast zone of the area. The kitchen is in southeast direction, came on the road side, so we decided to put aluminium louvers in front of it which cuts down the viewing angle from the road but also brings natural light to the kitchen. As you reach to the second floor with fabricated staircase, you directly come into the family lounge area which is having a clear view of park on one side and the drawing room which is double heighted on the other side. Now this floor has 2 bedrooms, one in southwest direction and other one in northwest direction, and the southwest portion has a master room which has a personal garden in its front. On the third floor we have same 2 bedrooms, but here we add an interesting factor of having an open to sky garden area which came along with the northwest bedroom and directly from the lounge. This is the garden area which is directly connected to the park with the slidable louvers. On a top floor we have a recreational space along with open to sky areas and the park on the adjacent side. This wholesome creates a lower level garden in the house. As per Vastu, we kept the main entrance towards the corner road of the facade with the double height door which helps us to achieve the open spaces towards the corner side of the facade.
Along with this, each floor has 2 double height spaces which connect their lower and upper floors. In facade, we use a slidable louver screen which help us to create a portable massing block to connect with the outside environment, and finished it with a fine C-section to provide a neat outline to the facade.
For master bedrooms, we created hanging terraces on upper floors which connects these spaces to the green areas.
We also created higher parapet walls for the master bedroom to provide more privacy,
along with the circular voids which provides more ventilation and sciographic effect to the bed side of the room. We're proud to say that we are using sustainable materials in our project. By using materials such as aluminium, we were able to create functional and aesthetically pleasing structures which also minimizing their impact on environment.
In Astro, we believe in promoting sustainable architecture as a way to create a better future for our planet.